Good. Severely bow-legged. And then the little ribs, poor little ribs on both sides are flailed out. Like something I've never seen before. Oh. So this is what the full moon drug in. Young man traded it for a pack of jerky and 25 bucks. That's what a life is worth. I sure hope this... Oh boy.